Praise the Lord. Because then here, he hit
When
me.
you go to the toilet, so you see blood in your stool.
Yeah, because they hit me with a boot.
Okay.
Then here particularly, they hit me several times, and I always, the place is always taking me like I won't be able to control myself. Like it will just come like I don't know, sharpen and draw my highlight. There's anything just making me as if the head wants to break.
Okay. What else?
I feel every time. Every time.
Okay. What else?
Then my eyes. Because I don't see sun.
So how long have you been coughing the blood?
It's like 5 days.
Like 5 days.
No, 5 days. No, it was 5 days. When I got to the party, the phone got took me to the party.
So how long have you been seeing coughing blood?
It's just over a month. Over like just 2 months. Immediately I get to that place to the cell.
Okay.
5 days after, I was seriously sick and they rushed me.
Okay, that was when you started coughing.
Yeah.
Like 5 days after.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 days after.
They took him to hospital in Party.
Yeah.
Alright, the body stool, how long has it been? This stool, you see blood in your stool, how long have you been seeing blood in your stool?
In Beninu and January.
That time is every time.
Okay, when did you start seeing the